The primary benefit of Tesla Cloud Profile Syncing is convenience. Instead of manually adjusting settings like seat position, mirrors, and climate control every time you switch between Tesla vehicles, your preferred settings are automatically applied. This time-saving feature is especially valuable for households with multiple Tesla drivers. Family members can switch between vehicles without reconfiguring their personal preferences, creating a hassle-free experience for everyone. Cloud profile syncing is also ideal for businesses managing fleets of Teslas. Drivers can seamlessly transition between vehicles during rotations, maintaining their optimized settings for routes, cabin preferences, and more. Overall, Tesla Cloud Profile Syncing enhances the user experience by providing a seamless, personalized transition between vehicles. Your driving identity follows you wherever you go in your Tesla. When using Cloud Profile Syncing, one vehicle is designated as the primary vehicle, where the profile is initially created and stored. Secondary vehicles then pull updates from this primary vehicle. Any changes made in the primary vehicle will eventually propagate to the secondary vehicles. Ensure your preferred settings are configured correctly on the primary vehicle before syncing. Cloud Profile Syncing includes a wide range of settings, such as seat position, mirror angles, steering wheel preferences, navigation favorites, media playlists, and HomeLink garage door codes. It also encompasses data from Tesla's full self-driving system, such as driving habits and adaptive behaviors. You can choose to sync specific elements and revoke access at any time via the Tesla app, providing control over your data. If you experience syncing delays, especially during peak hours, ensure both vehicles have a stable internet connection. Wi-Fi is preferred over cellular for faster and more reliable syncing. If syncing issues persist, try manually syncing the profile through the settings menu on your vehicle's touchscreen. Navigate to Settings, then Driver Profile, and select Sync to Cloud. Tesla has implemented server-side optimizations to mitigate syncing delays, but occasional hiccups can still occur. Also, ensure your Tesla app is up to date to avoid compatibility issues. The future of Tesla Cloud Profile Syncing points to deeper integration with AI and autonomy features. Profiles will adapt more intelligently to your driving preferences using advanced machine learning algorithms. Expect to see profiles adapting to biometrics, such as voice recognition, enabling seamless handoffs between vehicles. This will use advanced voice matching technology to automatically adjust settings based on who is speaking. Tesla is exploring partnerships for syncing with non-Tesla devices, like smart homes, using protocols such as Matter. This will allow your profile to extend beyond the vehicle to connected home systems. By 2026 to 2027, data from Optimus robots might be incorporated, enabling home-to-car syncing, where your robotic assistant learns from your daily routines and applies them to vehicle settings. Tesla uses encryption to protect your profile data during transfer and storage. User privacy is a priority, and you have control over what data is synced. As of 2025, Tesla has implemented improved security protocols, including end-to-end encryption to address privacy concerns. Regularly review your privacy settings in the Tesla app to ensure they align with your preferences.